Hi, today let's make tasty restaurant style paneer khurchan recipe for which you need to marinate the paneer with some basic spices which you can see on the screen. Here I've added in salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala, chaat masala, chana masala, kasuri methi, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, just the basic spices from your shelf. You can see it on the screen. Marinate it really very well and let the paneer sit for at least 10 minutes. Now the main thing is or the ideal thing is to make this recipe in an iron kadai or an iron tawa because you need to scrape the masala. That is the ideal thing. Now I've added in oil to a iron kadai and and save the marination a little bit for later. Now cook the paneer really very well. Keep on scraping. Now scraping is called as khurchan. That is where the name of this paneer recipe is called as paneer khurchan. So scrape all the masala and cook the paneer really very well. So the scraping of the masala gives a great taste to the paneer. Once the paneer is done, take it and keep it aside. Now to the same kadai, I've added in some butter. Next, I've added in some capsicum along with some sliced onions. I'm adding in some salt and toss it really very well on high flame. Now, please note we don't need the onions and capsicum to be soggy. It needs to be crispy. Keep it aside. Now to the same kadai, I've added in oil. I've added in some cumin seeds, bay leaves, fry it. And now next I'll be adding in some chopped garlic and toss it really very well till the raw smell goes. Once the raw smell goes, I'm adding in some chopped tomatoes and give it a good mix, for which before that I'm adding in some salt along with some Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala powder as well. And cook the tomatoes really very well along with the leftover marinade which we saved earlier, and give it a good mix. Mix it really very well till the gravy is ready. Now let's add in the cooked paneer along with the onion and capsicum which we had done previously, and toss it really very well. See to that the paneer is cooked really very well and each and every paneer is beautifully coated with all the masalas. Finally, top it up with some fresh cream along with some coriander leaves, and enjoy this with some lacha paratha, naan or roti or hot rice as well. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy.